Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Ensuring the Built Environment. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can learn more about business insurance solutions at robfreeman.com. This week we're answering the question, what is funds transfer fraud and how do you protect your business against it? Well, funds transfer fraud is an increasingly common type of crime that happens when a cyber criminal sends instructions to someone within your organization to send money to a bank account that's controlled by the cyber criminal. So let's look at an example. Say the CFO within your organization receives an email purportedly coming from the CEO with instructions to send money to the bank account of a new vendor or a new partner. But the bank account's actually controlled by the cyber criminal. And this scenario could happen because the CEO was hacked, or the CEO suffered from a phishing attack, or there was a social engineering attack where the end result is that the criminal got control of the CEO's email account. And the emails from the CEO are actually coming from the cyber criminal. So what's a way you can protect your organization from funds transfer fraud? Well, one way is to implement something called dual control. Dual control is a type of multi-factor authentication where the CFO wouldn't be allowed or enabled to send money without first getting the authorization of another person within your organization. So it's a little bit like having two keys to a bank vault or having two signature lines on a check. You can't actually send the money without having two different people verify that it's a legitimate request. And that's a type of dual control. Multi-factor authentication is something you probably have heard of. It's very common whenever you set up a new credit card or bank account that you're going to have your password as well as another form of authentication. It's going to be maybe a text message to your cell phone number or a code through an authentication app, and those are forms of dual control. Dual control and multi-factor authentication can also help you save money on another way to protect yourself from funds transfer fraud risk is with a cyber liability insurance policy. So a cyber liability insurance policy will protect you, or should protect you, from funds transfer fraud and social engineering and ransomware and malware attacks, other types of risks that your company is increasingly exposed to in the world of cyber and cyber risk. So again, to protect yourself from funds transfer fraud, your employees should be implementing dual control and have multi-factor authentication. And in the event that they are still convinced that the email is real or that the instructions are real and it's actually not, you can protect your organization with a cyber liability insurance policy that protects against funds transfer fraud. So if you have questions about funds transfer fraud or cyber liability or other risks related to your business and you want to speak to an insurance broker about that, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below this video. And also know that you can usually save money on your cyber liability policy by implementing things like dual control and multi-factor authentication. Anyway, I hope this has been useful. Feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below. Thanks again and have a great day.